If you want to open YouTube in Chrome, this is one of the easiest things you can do. And in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're brand new to using a computer or you just want a fast reminder, this guide will show you exactly how to get to YouTube in just a few seconds. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon from your desktop, taskbar, or app menu, depending on how your computer is set up. Once Chrome opens, you'll see the browser window, and at the very top of the screen, you'll notice the long address bar. This is where you type website addresses. Now, click inside that address bar at the top of the browser window. Make sure your cursor is active in the bar so you can type a website correctly. Next, type youtube.com. You do not need to type anything extra. Just type the website name exactly as it appears. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will take you directly to YouTube and load the home page. Once the page finishes loading, you're ready to browse videos, search for content, or sign into your account if you want. And that's it. You've just opened YouTube in Chrome in the simplest way possible. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy computer tips, and I'll see you in the next video.